Hi guys, welcome to another installation of my slow sewing project of a Burda 10 2020 number 120 as we connect up the bodice and the skirt. Okay, let's dive straight into it. Here is our skirt. Okay, so we are sewing it just up to the point where the pocket starts on one side, and on the other side we're going to sew down the whole bit. So this is where the zipper is going to go. Okay, so we're going to have to leave it open. Okay, so let's go sew this up. Now we have the skirt has been sewn up with where the side zipper is open. So now we have to finish prepping the bodice by basting this down so that we're ready to attach the skirt. So we're just going to baste that down here. Here we have this attached now. This is where the invisible zipper is going to go. We need to reinforce this because this is crepe fabric, and if we don't reinforce it, there is a good chance that it will stretch out a bit when you're inserting the invisible zipper. So I find that with lighter weight drapier fabrics like this, I do need to reinforce this. So we're going to be using a woven interfacing, and I prefer to reinforce it before I attach the waist seam, because then that way I can make sure that the reinforcement goes all the way down here to where the seam is going to be sewn up, so there isn't a place of weakness. So we have to do that for the bodice here, and where's the skirt side? Here we go. It's just so much mustardy deliciousness here. There. So remembering that you're going to put your reinforcement over here. So quite similar. I'm not actually going to use the stay tape because I need it to be a bit wider in order for the zipper to go on there. This is where scraps of my woven interfacing come in handy, because I basically just want a scrap about this wide, and I'm just going to press it all the way down here, and that means that this will have the stability for when I sew my invisible zipper on. So I just use the scraps and I cut them along, and then we'll press them. So I'm going to leave this to condition for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it can cool down and the glue can harden again. Don't be tempted to jump into using it whilst it's still warm. You have to let the fusible, the glue, to melt, bond to the fabric, and then to harden again. And then you don't have any bubbling if you do it that way. A little bit frustrating, but you gotta be patient in order to get a really excellent zipper installation. Okay, so as you can see, we have these interfaced and ready to go. So now we're going to attach the bodice to the skirt. we have what looks like a dress. I'm gonna have to go try this on now just to check that the waist is coming in as much as I would like it to. And yeah, so here is what it looks like. One side has got the pockets, and this is the side where the zipper is going to go on. And so I'm also going to try putting this on with this pinned up so that I can see if the length of zipper opening that I have left is enough to actually be able to get into it too much. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just tried it on. Messed up my hair and my makeup because I had to take off all of my layers to try it on. And I'm so excited. I have to stop there for now, though. I have to go get started on making dinner, but that's a good place to stop. I think we'll pick up with putting in the invisible zipper, and I've just prepared my pattern sheets for the lining, and I've got the lining out that I'm going to cut out. But you guys, the only problem that I have now though is that the dress, I don't have shoes that go with it. I'm going to need to find myself a pair of shoes to go with it because it's bellissimo. I'll see you in the next video, guys. I hope that you're enjoying this very slow sew along. But it's been worth it. It's so much fun. Thank you for hanging out with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.